Fatal car accidents in Pennsylvania. Filing a wrongful death claim, losing a loved one in a fatal car accident, is one of the most devastating experiences a family can face. The grief is compounded by unexpected financial burdens and difficult legal questions. Under Pennsylvania law, when another driver's negligence causes a crash, surviving relatives may seek justice and compensation through a wrongful death claim. A death is legally wrongful in Pennsylvania if it results from someone else's negligence, recklessness, or unlawful actions. To succeed with a claim, you must show that the other driver had a duty to operate their vehicle responsibly, breached that duty, and that the breach directly caused the fatal accident. Common causes include impaired driving, distraction, speeding, tailgating, and other unsafe behaviors that undermine roadway safety. Not every fatal crash qualifies. Unavoidable incidents or medical emergencies may not lead to liability, and a sudden emergency is treated as just one factor a jury may consider when judging a driver's conduct. Only the personal representative of the deceased's estate can file a wrongful death lawsuit in Pennsylvania. If no action is taken within 6 months of the date of death, a spouse, child, or parent can step in. Compensation is paid directly to close relatives rather than to the estate. Spouses, biological or adopted children, and parents may share the recovery. Stepchildren are not beneficiaries unless they were legally adopted, although courts sometimes recognize a stepchild who can prove that the deceased acted in loco parentis. A wrongful death lawyer will gather evidence to prove fault. Your lawyer or attorney will rely on police reports, eyewitness accounts, and physical clues such as skid marks and debris patterns, while digital data from event recorders, phone logs, or dash cams can reveal speed and driver actions. Accident reconstruction specialists may interpret these facts, and working with a dedicated law firm gives access to resources that help build a strong case. Collecting evidence promptly is vital because vehicles may be repaired or destroyed, electronic data overridden, and crash scenes cleared. Damages in a wrongful death action include lost wages, future earning capacity, medical expenses related to the fatal injury, and funeral and burial costs. Pennsylvania law also allows families to recover for the loss of companionship, guidance, and emotional support. A separate survival action can be filed by the estate to recover for the pain and suffering the deceased endured between the injury and death, as well as lost earnings during that time. These proceeds become part of the estate and are subject to taxes and creditor claims. Families must act quickly. Under 42 Pa.C.S.A. Section 5524, there is a 2-year statute of limitations for filing a wrongful death lawsuit, measured from the date of death. Missing this deadline usually bars the claim. Prompt action also helps ensure that crucial evidence is preserved and that insurance companies cannot gain an advantage by starting their own investigations early. A knowledgeable attorney can send preservation requests, interview witnesses, and secure surveillance or dashcam footage before it disappears. Losing a loved one in a fatal crash is an unimaginable tragedy, but you don't have to face the aftermath alone. Consulting a compassionate wrongful death attorney can help you navigate the process, understand what damages may be available, and protect your rights. If your family is considering a claim in Pennsylvania, contact a trusted law firm soon. Luxenberg, Garbett, Kelly, and George P.C., located at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, has extensive experience helping families find answers, accountability, and financial relief after devastating losses. Call their law firm at 724-658-8535 to discuss your rights and begin the path toward healing.